So hello, I wanted to show some more details of the Favorite lathe, watchmaker lathe. So here's one of the tailstocks. Here's the other one. And I have now the Lathe accessory installed. So that's a Lathe accessory which fits in the Favorite tailstock. You need to tight it really strong to have it to give it a tight fit, and then you have the possibility to put these accessories here. So that's this one, and also this one. And also this one here. Can be installed now. So let's put them back. And from the same set you can also install these two pieces. So this is the center. To align. And this one here with the small collet and the drawbar. And the two other collets. Let's see if I can show that. So they are here, 3 pieces. So that is the Lathe accessory set, which fits. And then you also have the lower accessory set that looks like this, which fits as well, because this is 7mm. And when you take this one out, you can install this one. These are the small pieces which go into the head. There you go. But also this set, 12 pieces, fit in here. And then you use this one to take them out. And also this one here, center. Goes in. So alignment here, this direction, and the other direction is a really nice alignment. One more time, there.